Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a fun Flappy Bird game in Scratch. We'll begin by setting up our project, which involves selecting a simple background, perhaps a blue sky. Then, we'll add our main character, the bird sprite, and adjust its size to something like 30%. Finally, we'll place our bird at a good starting position, ready for action. Now, let's give our bird some realistic movement. We'll add gravity by continuously decreasing the bird's Y position, making it fall. Then, we'll program the bird to jump. When you press the space bar, for example, the bird's Y position will increase by about 10 to 15 units, giving it an upward flap. You can fine-tune these values to get the perfect feel for your game. Next, we'll introduce the iconic pipes. You'll create pipe sprites that continuously scroll from the right side of the screen to the left. To keep things interesting, we'll randomize the vertical position of the gaps in these pipes. As your bird successfully navigates through each pipe, we'll update a score variable, increasing it by 1 point. This adds a clear objective to your game. Finally, let's add the game over condition and some polish. We'll program the game to end if the bird touches any part of a pipe or falls off the screen. Upon collision, a game over message will appear. To make your game even more engaging, consider adding sound effects for when the bird jumps, scores a point, or when the game ends. These small touches make a big difference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.